want to introduce you. This is Gorman's Auto down here at Marco Island. And I've got father and son, Tim Gorman and his son Dean. We're installing, actually finished installing it, the first electric vehicle charging station manufactured by Bosch on Marco Island. We're going to give you a demonstration of the unit now. Okay, Tim? It's going out and getting the handshake. We've set this for $1 per hour. It just come on now. You can see on the front here, the display is blinking, showing that it's charging. I can now take my charger and stick it in my car. I brought a portable demo charger. I click it into my car, and I've got my little red light here, and it's charging. The customer can run up to, on this particular one, at $1 an hour up to 4 hours. We set the ceiling for 4 hours maximum. But at any time, when they're finished, they can just go over here, press the end, and it stops. No further charging. If they want to do it again, they come back over with their card and start over. That ends our video.
Cool.
Cut.